everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Kristen with Decorators Warehouse, and today's video is for my people that are a little extra. Yes, you. So all the time you hear me talk about tree toppers. Tree toppers are so important. Yes, they're so important because they provide the polish to your Christmas tree. You hear me talk about you can do a minimal tree topper or you can do a big over-the-top tree topper. Well, today we're here to talk about the over-the-top. So in my other videos, you've seen me add maybe a cluster here, a cluster having like 3 or 4 pieces, and then maybe 1 or 2 on the back side. Well, today we are going to do a total of 25 sprays. This is a good number of sprays. It's 5 styles, 5 pieces of each spray. And these are the sprays that we're going to be using. So this is the Mrs. Claus Kitchen Bundle. I've already decorated the tree. If you go watch the video, you'll see the more minimal one. And usually I would do the topper very first, just because then I'm not messing up anything down here, but we're breaking that rule today. So for this topper, I have chosen 5 styles that coordinate with this tree. So actually, if you have the Mrs. Claus's Kitchen Bundle and you want a bigger topper, this is a great add-on. Or maybe you already have a bunch of gingerbread decor that you've collected and you want a little more polish at the top. This is a great add-on too for you. Let's go ahead and get started. So for this one, I have these 5 sprays. I have a red berry. I have this fun leaf. I love the combination of leaves and berries together. I have kind of this more airy, I love this one. I think it's so fun. This is gonna break it up so it's not so red and brown. And then this one, this is not actually in the tree, but there is a coordinating ornament ball that goes with that. I like it because it has a little bit of white, and again, it's a different texture. And then this is kind of the last and final piece that we'll place. It's just super fun and whimsical, so that'll provide kind of a fun touch there. When we do the topper, we are gonna start 1 style at a time. And I'm gonna start with this one. It's just, I don't know, it's the tallest, kind of one of the biggest pieces. It's just gonna be a great starting point. So what we're gonna do, like I said, we're working 1 at a time. I'm basically gonna go straight down the pole to begin with. And then I'm gonna work all the way around. So with my 5 styles. And notice what I'm doing. I'm going straight down. I'm not going like sideways, but I'm going straight. Then you've got all these branches that you'll be able to pull out, and I'll do that a little bit more once I start placing everything. But again, super, super important. 1 takeaway, always go straight. If you need to get any of your sprays to stay in the place that you're putting them, just use the greenery, and you can wrap it around the stem and just kind of like twist it in there. That'll hold it in place. As you build this topper out, it's gonna get fuller and fuller. The stems are gonna intertwine, so it's gonna have a nice support in it. But sometimes when you put the first 1 or 2 in, they're a little bit floppy, so that helps to kind of create that stability. Next, we're gonna come in with our second stem. So I always alternate colors too. I'm never gonna do a red and then immediately follow it with another red. It's gonna create clumps, and we like symmetry all the way around. So this is gonna break up the red. It's an adorable little leaf, matches the florals that are in this tree, and I just absolutely love it, and it's making me hungry. So we're gonna, same thing, we're gonna kind of place these in between the ones that have already been placed. Yeah, sometimes it's kind of hard to get it in there, and that's okay. This is not a perfectly smooth process. It's gonna feel a little bit clunky at times. So see how they're already kind of like starting to mesh? That's what we want. We want this to open up and be airy. Let me grab the others. It's already kind of starting to come together, and it's almost like you're layering a cake. You're just adding 1 style at a time and building to the space to create it bigger and bigger. This is gonna be my 3rd spray. It's gonna kind of break up what we already have in there and build this out. You've heard me say this before, and I'm gonna continue to say it over and over because I truly believe that sprays are magic, and they will give your tree a new life. And they're great in the topper, they're great in the body of your tree because they provide a lot of texture and a lot of dimension. This one's fun. It's a touch unexpected, but what I love about it so much is it breaks up all the colors and just kind of creates a nice little icing. All right, one thing you're gonna wanna do along the way is you're gonna wanna step down, take a look at your topper. I had a big clump of these right here, so just kind of open them up, spread them out, and then you can start to bend these out. Like I said earlier, your stem always goes down, but these are all wired, so you have a lot of ability to move them into, you know, the position that you like. Okay, my fourth stem, this is fun. It's a little curly Q shape. It's red and white, so it ties a lot of stuff together, and it's gonna give us some fun texture in there. So open those up, and same thing again, we're still just running straight along the pole and then kind of pulling out to get the placement you like. And it's a lot of like trial and error too. It almost never is perfect the first time, so that's why I recommend getting down, looking at it from the ground, and then making your adjustments. Okay, our last spray is gonna be this fun gingerbread man. And same thing, we're just gonna kind of go around and place them between the ones that have already been placed. But you can see this is already looking so cute. All right, there we have it. So I have placed 25 individual sprays at the top of the 7.5-foot tree. You could probably use this, or you definitely could use this on a 9-foot tree as well. If you did want a few more, you could do like 7 of each, but this is a good starting point. So once that's up, what I'm gonna do is I am going to use some florals kind of here at the base to transition into the tree. If you are purchasing the topper kit, doesn't include the florals just because we don't know what the rest of your tree looks like. So I would recommend using ones that you already have, or if you have the Mrs. Claus's Kitchen bundle, you'll have these florals in your bundle. Let's see how cute. So that kind of creates that transition into the base, and what it does is it conceals all the stems. Oh, how cute. I love that. So there is our extra bougie topper today. Super fun, a great compliment to the Mrs. Claus's bundle if you have that. The Mrs. Claus's bundle is a decor package that includes all of the sprays, florals, ribbon, ornaments that are on this tree. It doesn't come with the tree, but it comes with the decor. And this would be a great add-on if you wanted an even fuller topper, or maybe if you're supplementing something that you already have at home as well. So be sure to hit subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest, and now on TikTok too. Merry Christmas.